But just take a small 2 minutes action. Take just 2 minutes action today onwards. Once you started, then you never going to stick to 2 minutes only. You never going to stick to 2 minutes only. That 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes. At certain point you will get motivation. At certain point you will get motivation. Then you are going to spend 1 hour, 1.5 hours, 2 hours, or complete day only on that activity. Your activity by default is going to be completed. Remember that. Sir, I want to join in the gym. Currently free time is not there. Free time is not there. So next month onwards, I want to start. Wow, perfect. You will start next month onwards only. But today onwards, just go to the gym, visit there, and then come. Promise yourself. Promise yourself. Okay, today onwards, as long as I am in this city, in your local place where you want to join the gym, as long as I am in this place, compulsory, I will visit the gym. I will visit the gym. You are not required to do workout kind of things, friends. Just go there, see the board, and then come back. So that you are starting that activity. Just a matter of 2 minutes or 5 minutes work. But you are going to habitate that. You won't wait until next month. Maybe within 2 or 3 days only you are going to take the membership and you are going to start workouts.